Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Venkatesh. I am a DevOps engineer. This is a DevOps Pro Junction YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see one of the concept with the Terraform series, how to use the secrets with the variables. For that, I have a demo as well. Let's see that. Before that, I'm making lot of videos with effort related to Terraform, Kubernetes, DevOps and all. I believe these videos are helpful. If you find these videos are helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel and follow for the more videos. It will be encouraging me to make lot of videos. Before that, let's see some slides. Here I have the secrets.tfr files. So before using these secrets, you have to create some secret files. So it can be your tfr files, so it is not going to push on your github. All right, so that's why we are creating secret.tfr files. And this is the important thing. So when you specify the variable, you have to mention it sensitive equal to true. When you mention sensitive equal to true, what will happen? When you do plan, it won't show you on your prompt. Let's see the demo for the clear explanation. So let's for that I have some configuration file. Here I have the main.tf and I'm going to create one AWS DB instance. Here I have username and password, and here we have secret.tf and I have some value written on that. And when it comes to variables, tf, here we have DB username, DB password. Here I have mentioned sensitive equal to false. Let's see first what happened when we mention sensitive equal to false. Let me give the plan first of all. So while you give the plan, it asking to enter the password. So I'm typing the password, but it is showing on the my screen. Next, I'm typing some username. It's showing on my screen. So once I give enter, it's showing me the plan, right? And even it is showing on my plan username. So that is going to be sensitive. We should not reveal those values. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make sensitive equal to true. Let's see, once we make sensitive equal to true, what will happen? Let's save and clearing the screen. Let's do plan. Now I'm going to enter my password, but it is not showing on my screen. Again, I'm entering username. It is not showing on my screen. When I give the plan, it's going to show my plan. But when you see that the username is mentioned as sensitive value. Again, when you see the password, even that also will be mentioned as a sensitive value. So this is how it will work, but the values will be stored on your state files, right? So this is how it will work when you mention sensitive is equal to true. This is how we can use it secrets on your Terraform configuration files. I believe this video is helpful. If you find this video is helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel and follow for the more videos. Let's see you in the next video.